Unveiling the secret of clear audio. The pop filter. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to explore a small but mighty tool in the world of audio recording. The pop filter. Whether you're a budding podcaster, a voiceover artist, or simply curious about how to get crystal clear audio recordings, understanding the role of a pop filter is crucial. So, let's dive into the world of audio magic and discover how this tool can make a big difference in your recordings. Have you ever noticed those black mesh screens that you see in front of microphones in studios? Well, those are pop filters. Their main job is to eliminate plosives, those pesky bursts of air that happen when we pronounce certain consonants like P and B. Without a pop filter, these sounds can create a pop or thump in the audio recording, which can be distracting and reduce the quality of the sound. A pop filter is usually made of a thin layer of acoustically transparent material like nylon or metal mesh and is placed between the speaker's mouth and the microphone. When air hits the filter, it disperses, while allowing your voice to pass through clearly. Now, you might be thinking, is it really that important? The answer is a resounding yes. Here's why. 1. Reduces plosives. As we've mentioned, it cuts down on those explosive P and B sounds. 2. Keeps moisture away. When you speak, tiny droplets of moisture come out of your mouth. Over time, this moisture can damage your mic. The pop filter acts as a shield. 3. Improves audio clarity. By blocking unwanted noise, it ensures that your recordings are crisp and clear. 4. Professional sound quality. Using a pop filter is one of the tricks to achieving that smooth, professional sound quality you hear in radio and podcasts. Installing and using a pop filter is quite straightforward, but here are some tips to get the most out of it. Positioning. Place the pop filter a few inches away from the microphone. This allows enough space for the air to dissipate before reaching the mic. Angle. Make sure the pop filter is directly between your mouth and the microphone to catch those plosives. Maintenance. Keep your pop filter clean. Dust and dirt can affect its performance. While the traditional pop filter is the go-to, there are alternatives like foam covers that fit directly over the microphone. These are called windshields and are especially good for outdoor recording. In terms of types, there are metal and nylon pop filters, each with their own benefits. Metal filters are durable and easy to clean, while nylon filters may provide a slightly softer sound. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, the secret to professional sounding audio isn't just about having a good microphone. It's also about how you use tools like pop filters to your advantage. So, keep experimenting with your setup, and don't underestimate the power of a good pop filter. Happy recording, and see you in the next video.